Are you looking for the best DSLR camera for YouTube videos to capture stunning content and grow your audience? I evaluated 5 exceptional recording options designed to help you produce high-quality video content easily. Product number 1. CGXUED Pocket Vlogging Camera. This ultra-compact handheld solution provides a highly accessible platform for creators who emphasize spontaneous content generation during travels. The pocket-sized architecture slides into small bags comfortably, facilitating rapid one-handed operations whenever inspiration strikes outdoors on location. An innovative rotating lens mechanism shifts smoothly through 180 degrees to capture point-of-view perspectives or self-recording shots accurately. A robust integrated battery delivers up to 7 hours of continuous runtime to support extensive vlogging schedules or long live streams without pausing. I appreciate how the single-button operating interface removes technical configuration barriers entirely, making it perfect for novice creators starting out. The package includes a 32GB memory layout, so you can start recording right out of the box without tracking extra camera accessories. While it functions primarily as a streamlined lifestyle companion rather than a high-end cinema engine, the stable frame management handles daily video logs nicely. This entry-level device delivers a dependable starting point for sharing your adventures with global viewers across multiple platforms. Product number 2. Frenitt 4K Digital Camera. This high-definition travel companion upgrades your production toolkit by delivering sharp ultra-high-definition capture and intuitive creative modes for beginners. The modern sensor records footage at 30 frames per second, while a fast autofocus routine locks onto moving subjects with great precision. An integrated flip screen panel rotates completely to let you manage selfie compositions and check facial focus positions visually during live recording. The powerful digital magnification brings distant scenery and fine environmental details significantly closer without losing valuable image clarity or color depth. I select this model because the intuitive rotating mode dial gives you instant access to slow motion and continuous shooting features fast. The USB connectivity enables rapid data transfers directly to your desktop computer while functioning as a high-quality live webcam feed seamlessly. Its plastic shell minimizes overall physical weight to prevent wrist fatigue during long handheld studio demonstration videos and unboxing projects. This well-rounded tool helps emerging internet personalities transform casual vlogs into highly professional visual records for their channels. Product number 3. Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR Camera. This legendary interchangeable lens kit introduces traditional high-end optical physics to your expanding social media channel setup this week. The massive sensor gathers an abundance of natural light to generate beautiful shallow depth of field and soft background blur behind your subject effortlessly. A reliable 9-point autofocus matrix locks onto targets sharply to ensure clear presentation outlines during interviews or product demonstrations in the studio. The physical optical viewfinder guides your framing choices precisely by delivering uncompressed visual coverage under varying ambient light conditions outside. I love how the built-in wireless transmitter passes finished media files directly to your smartphone for instant editing and publishing online. Using companion webcam software turns this robust device into a premium live streaming asset for your personal computer configuration immediately. The rugged physical frame feels balanced and satisfying when paired with premium standard zoom or wide-angle glass variations in your hand. This professional package remains an iconic foundation for content creators who demand premium cinematic quality for their videos. Product number 4. MWIRB 8K Video Camera Camcorder. This high-resolution multimedia engine introduces extreme processing capabilities paired with high-precision anti-shake stabilization tools for active field tracking. The robust system captures ultra-high-definition video files, while a 6-axis hardware stabilizer counteracts handheld motion tremor smoothly during walking shots. An included external stereo microphone minimizes ambient background noise significantly to guarantee crisp and professional audio tracks for your viewers. The rotational touch panel simplifies menu selections and lets you verify framing angles during solo studio production seamlessly without help. I find that the integrated infrared night vision feature creates clear monochromatic footage inside pitch black or dimly lit environments easily. The built-in wireless connectivity coordinates, with a dedicated smartphone application to handle rapid remote sharing tasks with ease from the field. Multiple creative operational modes, like time-lapse and slow motion, empower you to experiment with diverse cinematic storytelling styles for your channel. This complete production bundle provides ambitious vloggers with the advanced processing overhead needed for elite online content creation every day. Product number 5. CAMWORLD 2.7K Camcorder Video Camera. This lightweight handheld camcorder delivers user-friendly operability tailored specifically for students and novice video editors entering the content space. The hardware produces crisp, high-definition media files, while an internal stabilization mechanism dampens minor camera movements effectively during field use. A built-in fill light source injects essential illumination into dim indoor settings to maintain balanced exposure levels across your face perfectly. The clear rotational flip panel supports easy self-recording by turning around toward the user during solo vlogging assignments in the studio. I enjoy the practical video pause function that allows you to pause recordings during scene transitions to reduce post-production editing time significantly. The standard mounting socket accommodates traditional tripods securely to facilitate stable hands-free podcasting or product review sessions on your desk. A 32GB storage inclusion ensures plenty of immediate space for your daily video practice sessions without running out of room. This compact starter package gives a highly practical platform for learning the fundamentals of internet video production comfortably. I recommend choosing the interchangeable lens kit for ultimate cinematic look, or the stabilized high-resolution models for maximum detail. All 5 options provide superb price compatibility for your content creation journey.